Hello everyone, you're watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to use MT4 indicators in TradingView. Now, if you're familiar with the MT4 platform, you're probably aware of its wide array of indicators. On the other hand, TradingView has become a favorite among traders due to its excellent charting tools and social features. However, there's a catch. These two platforms speak different programming languages. MT4 uses MQL4, while TradingView operates on PineScript. Don't worry though. Today, I'll show you how to bridge this language gap so you can enjoy your favorite MT4 indicators right on TradingView. Bridging the language gap. The first thing you need to know is that you'll have to convert your MT4 indicators from MQL4 to PineScript. This might sound a bit intimidating, especially if coding isn't your forte, but I'm here to make it simpler for you. Let's break it down. Step 1. Community scripts. Before diving into conversion, a great tip is to check out the TradingView community scripts. There's a vibrant community of developers and traders who share their scripts. It's possible that someone has already recreated the MT4 functionality you need in PineScript. This can save you a lot of effort and time. If you find what you're looking for, you can directly import it into your TradingView account. No coding required. Step 2. Manual conversion. If you can't find an equivalent script in the community, it's time for a manual conversion. Start by getting the original MQL4 code of your indicator. Look closely at this code to understand its key parameters and functionalities. Your task is to translate these into PineScript. Setting up a new script in TradingView is the next step. Begin transferring the logic from your MT4 code into PineScript. PineScript is known for its simplicity and ease of use, so once you get a grip on it, the process becomes smoother. You may need to familiarize yourself with PineScript's unique functions and data handling techniques. Step 3. Debugging and testing. Expect to spend some time debugging and testing to ensure everything functions as intended. Don't hesitate to explore TradingView's extensive documentation, or reach out to community forums if you encounter any roadblocks. These resources can be incredibly helpful. Once your script is up and running, you can enjoy the flexibility and additional features that TradingView offers. Now you're all set to use your favorite MT4 indicators on TradingView, enhancing your trading experience. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to use MT4 indicators in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.